Watch before you buy the Puma Suede. Inside of this box, we have the Puma Classic Suede XXL, XXI, whatever you want to call it. The classic black and white colorway. As you guys can see, what I love about this box is they actually show you a picture of the shoe on the box. That is awesome. So when you have a bunch of boxes, it makes it easy to know what colorway you are trying to get. And here they are, the Puma Classic Suede. This is everything you guys need to know before you buy and wear the Puma Suede. This is a classic, an iconic sneaker. Am I right? Especially in the hip-hop industry. There's so many rappers and hip-hop artists throughout the years that have worn this sneaker. I'm talking way back, over 50 years ago, this sneaker was introduced, and it's been a classic and a staple all of these years later. What I personally love about the Puma Suede in particular is that it's a classic shoe, but nonetheless, the suede, right? It has suede in the name, Puma Suede, but the suede, oh my, it's so soft to the touch, guys. If you have not ever felt a pair of Puma Suedes, please do so. Pick a colorway and just feel the suede. It is so soft to the touch. They definitely use a very nice suede material. I really appreciate the suede because it's very nice. And speaking of nice materials, let's talk about the sock liner. Very, very nice premium sock liner. Nice and comfortable and leather. It is so soft. It's not going to get, sweaty on your feet. A lot of leather insoles, it'll make your foot sweaty and disgusting after a period of time. You're not going to have to worry about that with the Puma Suede. The one thing I will say is be careful because it will get a little dirtier because it is white here on this pair. So that will get a little dirty. But other than that, they're going to be easy to clean and it's so damn comfortable with that leather. Now the Puma logo, very nice and gold. I really like the gold touches on the Puma logo along with the suede. Very, very nice. And you do have the logo on the back as well. The gold just stands out. And what I really appreciate is that it's a real gold. A lot of other gold shoes aren't really gold. It's more like a mustard yellow, but not here on this Puma Classic Suede. They do use a real nice gold. I want to say it's like a trifold gold, tricolor gold, whatever the word is. It's a very nice gold. Very nice, and it really stands out at you. That midsole, man, is very, very nice, and I believe it's vulcanized, and it's very, very nice outsole. I love the outsole as well. It's going to get dirty, but easy to clean, easy to manage and maintain. You do have the Puma logo on the bottom as well. I have worn these outside, and I do think they're extremely comfortable. I'm excited to wear these more, and I will do a wear test video, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. You do not want to miss out on the wear test video of the Puma Suedes. So these right here are classic. They're iconic, and you guys can notice that stripe. The stripe going along, the Puma stripe here, just, oh, so nice, man. It really is in that beautiful cream color as well. It just stands out more from the rest of the shoe. I really like it, and like I keep saying, guys, the suede, it's so nice. Now, go true to size. I recommend going true to size. I've worn them. Go true to size. I don't recommend going down. I don't recommend going up. I think going with your normal size will be what's best for you. But hey, these are available in stores. Let's talk about how easy they are to get because it's a shoe that you guys can obtain very easily at a simple, affordable price of retail at $75. And a lot of the times they do go on sale for $60, $65. You guys can get them for even less than that retail. But if you do spend retail $75, you're not going to be disappointed. This colorway, I'm sure other colorways, they do come with extra laces as well. You do have the black, very thick laces, and they do come with these white, very thick laces as well. I'm a huge fan. Huge fan of Puma Suedes. Definitely iconic. They're classic. And in the hip-hop world, it's just been a staple for so many people, and there's so many great colorways. The Puma logo on the tongue does stand out, as you guys can see. I'll show you guys on the other shoe. It is a little bit easier right now. Boom. There it is. You do have the beautiful Puma logo. Let me loosen up these laces. They're so comfortable on feet. I want you guys to really try them on if you can. If you get the opportunity to do, please do so. There's the beautiful Puma logo on the tongue, and the insole as well with a bunch of Puma logos. Let me see if I can pull out this insole. Not sure if I'm going to be able to. It's really glued in there. But yeah, man, these are great, guys. There's a look at the insole. Definitely a nice, great looking insole. Comfortability, easy to wear, easy to easy to match, easy to manage and take care of when they do get dirty. The one thing I will say is because it's suede, maybe don't wear them in the rain. But other than that and snow, any other weather condition, you're pretty much good to go. Stay away from water, and you're good to go with the Puma Suede. What I like about them is they're so versatile, guys. You can wear them in the spring, summer. It doesn't really matter. It's a versatile shoe. The fall, great fall shoe. And there's a bunch of colorways. You guys are going to fall in love with the colorway. I promise. I'll have some links down below in the description. I'll try to have some links if you guys want to cop some Puma Suedes. Make sure you guys do so. They are very, very affordable. And just a great overall shoe. I'm a huge fan of the Puma Suede. This video is not sponsored. I want to make that very, very clear. But I just am a huge, huge fan of the Puma Suede. And I wanted to bring you guys this video. Let me know down below in the comments what do you guys think about the Puma Suedes. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? What's your favorite color? Let me know down below in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.